So guys, आज पिकअप के लिए आए हैं from Honda. So it's like when I posted that video and I talked to them again, so they arranged a pickup for me today, and within 3 or 4 hours they'll check the car again. If any problem, they'll again test it and record it and send it out to Honda Cars India, and then they'll see what can be done. So Bhaiya is just completing the formalities, like filling in everything, all the information in the car. Okay, so all's good. Looks like we are getting some support from Honda. Let's see what they come up with. So they'll be taking my car for about 3 hours or something, they said, and then they'll return it. So जब भी आप ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो, अपनी कार ऐसे दे रहे हो, तो just make sure you record a video of your car, so that you know everyone knows कि आपके कार में कोई डेंट्स नहीं है या कोई मेजर स्क्रैचेस नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. So just make sure to record a quick small video of the car when you're giving for servicing or maybe some repairs. तो आपके पास एक ये चीज़ रहती है कि कार में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई डेंट नहीं है. If something happens, then the service people are responsible for that, and you can show them the video कि ये चीज़ पहले नहीं थी, and now when you're returning, then this is there. Okay, so I'm recording in wide mode. Let's just switch to linear and then record again. Okay, so I just switched to linear and now recording everything. That is a Verna. So ये कार दे देंगे and then we'll go in the Verna. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं, बस नोट कर रहा हूँ. टूल्स वगैरह सब प्रॉब्लम.
सब देख लीजिए एक बार.
पेपर वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. ओके सर.
हाँ, ओके.
गाड़ी के पेपर नहीं है?
कार के पेपर्स उस पर नहीं थे क्या?
नहीं, इसको कुछ नहीं. ये जो है खाली कवर है.
ठीक है, शायद मैंने निकाल लिए होंगे.
ये पीछे कुछ आपका सीट पे पड़ा हुआ है. ये टूल्स वगैरह है. ओके.
हाँ, ओके. बाकी कोई डेंट्स या स्क्रैचेस नहीं है.
हाँ, ओके. वो तो मैं वापस फोटो भी ले लूँगा इन्वेंटरी में.
हाँ, श्योर. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे करना है.
हाँ, 3 पॉइंट फ्यूल है और किलोमीटर फिलहाल आपका 5862. ओके, मैं अपना लिस्ट भी दे देता हूँ.
ओके. So guys, we have given our car to that service person, and so it's like they'll take it and then they'll inspect it, and then they'll see what the problem was, and what they said is that they are going to record an audio and a video of that front left vibration, or you know, something moving around you feel like. So they checked the car already with me, and they also felt the same, and then they said they'll talk to Honda Cars India and then they'll let me know. But then I didn't get any response from them, and after a month suddenly they called me up today in the morning, and they said that they're going to arrange a pickup and drop for the car, and they want to record an audio and video of the issue, and then they want to share it with the Honda factory, and then they'll consult with the engineers there and see what that problem is. So let me describe you again. So it's like in the Honda City, from the front left, when you drive slow on bad roads, then I was feeling like something is moving around on the front left, and that thing moving around is like this, something like this is moving. So I reached out to them and I showed the car to them. Then they drove it and they felt it. Yes, there is something which they didn't knew what it was exactly, but then they said yes, there is something. And then we drove the other vehicles as well, like one brand new vehicle which was ready for delivery the next day, and the same thing was there in that vehicle as well. The intensity was a bit low, but then it was there, and you don't feel it on rainy days. So they said that yeah, it's something which you can't feel on wet roads or on rainy days, but then otherwise there is something. They thought first they thought there is an issue with the damper, but then they said they replaced it with a new damper, but then they said no, the issue is not with the damper, and then they don't know what the issue is with, maybe with the link rod or something. They have to consult with the Honda factory and the engineers there, and then they'll come up with a solution if there is any. Otherwise they'll just let me know it's an operational noise. But okay, it's a good gesture by Honda that maybe they were in touch with Honda factory, and then they decided okay, we will be sending out a recorded audio and video of the problem. But thankfully, not to worry, like when I posted that video, the previous video, so about 40% of the people commented that they don't feel any issue in the car. So I'm good with that. I'm very happy with that, that it's not, if that's the case, then maybe it's not with all the vehicles, maybe, or maybe they'll start noticing these issues a bit further in their journey with the car. But 60% of the people commented that they also feel the same issue. So I'm not sure, like I just like the car, you know. Honda City is a great car, but then on the build I do think they have compromised a little bit, because I told you the rattling from within the cabin as well. So it's like the part over here, like where you keep your sunglasses, so there you have the cabin lights in the Honda City. So that part vibrates a bit on bad roads. So on smooth road you don't get any rattling sound or any noise from the car, right? On smooth roads you don't get any, but on bad roads I do hear something moving in the cabin lights, something moving just above my head on the roof, and then something over there sometimes just near the tweeter, front left tweeter. Apart from these things which I've highlighted, there is no other issue as of now, okay, which I've encountered, and I'm very good with the other things in the Honda City. Like the car is great. I don't think there's any car which matches those looks, you know. I think it's the best looking car in the segment. Cabin wise, like you get a lot of space, comfort, luxury, everything. You demand it and you get it. You get a bigger sunroof as well, the biggest in the segment. So apart from these things, as of now I have not noticed any other major challenges in the car or issues in the car. And talking about the Verna, I don't feel those issues from anywhere in the cabin, like the rattling or anything. Now the rattling which I'm speaking about in the Honda City, right now it's not of that great intensity, but then for a car which is just about 3 months or 3.5 months old, so for a new car there should not be any sound coming from within the cabin. If you start hearing sound from something from here or something from there in a brand new car, then it just ruins your satisfaction levels. It ruins your experience as well, because you've spent a lot of your hard-earned money on this, and you don't want someone to sit in, like one of your friend, to sit in the car, in a brand new car of yours, and then to hear those sounds when you're on bad roads. So I hope you're getting my point, right? Just hit the like button if you get my point, okay? Don't hit the dislike though. Okay. The amount of time you spend in inside the showroom talking to the salesperson when you're buying a new car. Just spend the same amount of time in the test drive as well. Pay them $100, pay them the fuel, but just tell them I want to test drive this for 5 kilometers and not for 1 or 2 kilometers which you give. I want to test drive this for 5 or 10 kilometers. I'll pay you for the fuel. Test drive it thoroughly. Give your full attention to the test drive, you know, and then decide on the car. So that is what I am going to do from the next time. I'm just going to give a hell lot of time on my test drive. I'm going to pay a lot of attention to the test drives. People are taking it not that seriously, you know, I think, and we should be spending equal amount of time on test drives as well, like we spend on talking to the salesperson about features and everything in the showroom. About recommending the car to other buyers, I would say I'm not saying that I don't recommend the car. The car is good apart from these issues, and these issues you can already see that it's only with about half or 60% of us, and the rest 40% are commenting that they don't have the issues. So I'm not sure, but just give your time to test drives and spend more time on it, spend your more attention towards the test drives, okay, and then you can decide on buying the car or not. I think it's a great car, you know. I really like Honda City. The looks, the appeal, the space and comfort, everything is good. Just apart from that little vibration or something moving from the front left of the suspension or the tire, and some rattling noises from within the cabin. Apart from this, the car is great, okay? So don't think that I'm not recommending the car to others. And guys, please keep posting in the comment section your questions or doubts, if any. I do make sure to reply back to each and every one of you about your doubts or concerns. And please do hit the subscribe button if you really like the content which I'm bringing, and there's a hell lot of content which is coming up as well. And also, apart from these two cars, if you want me to go and review some other car as well, then please comment in the comment section about the car which you want me to review, and I'll surely make a video on that as well. Okay, so bye for now, and keep posting, keep liking, sharing, and please do hit the subscribe button for sure to stay connected with the channel. Okay, bye bye.